loves, karibu sana to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jambi Jeroge. Welcome to my little space. We are doing a hairstyle inspired by Gabriel Union. I saw it on Pinterest and thought it would be cool to try it. So let's get into the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to it.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Okay, my loves, let's get into this hairstyle. So first, we're going to start off by sectioning my hair. I do not like side parts, but she has a side part, so I thought, why not try it? But I'm actually not a fan of side parts. I don't feel like they do anything for me. I'm more of a middle part girly when it comes to slicking my hair. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Separate it into 3 sections such that I have 2 sections at the front and 1 at the back. This will help the hair to completely silk out. We are going in with our nice and lovely styling gel, and I'm going to start with the back section. I'm just applying the gel and then I'm going to brush it out, and then I'm going to use a rubber band to hold it into position. Working in section helps the hair to really silk down very well, and without me stretching my hair, because as you can see, I've not blow dried my hair. This is just it in its natural state. All I did was detangle. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process for the 2 parts at the front. So whenever I brush it down, I join it to the section at the back, and that is what I'm also going to do to this other side. And then I'm going to join all of them together using a rubber band. So I went in with some gel at the top, and now I'm just going in with a brush just to kind of make sure that everything is slicked out completely. Then I'm going to grab my scarf and I'm going to let this sit for about an hour or so. Okay, so this is the ponytail that we're going to be using. I made this myself. If you'd like to see how, it is linked, the video is linked down below. So I decided to use a ponytail that resembles my hair color. I was going to use black like hers, but I figured that won't make any sense because she's using black because her hair is black, and because my hair is not black, I thought I'd just go with one that matches my hair color. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just attach that over there, and this is me just kind of trying to detangle a little bit with my fingers. Then I'm going to grab a small section, and I'm going to be using this section to conceal where we attached the ponytail to my hair, just so that you cannot see where the hair has been attached. So this is the final look. I think it turned out super cute. It kind of resembles hers. It's just that mine is brown and hers is black, but I think the resemblance is very much there. So I think I did a good job. Yeah, let me know what you think. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.